Hey guys, welcome to Gardening with Janey. Today we are going to be repotting some perennials into bigger pots because clearly they have outgrown their pots. Now I'm just going to put this into a size bigger. Although there are 2 or 3 plants in here, you could divide it, but you kind of risk damaging the roots, and I'm not comfortable with doing that right now. So that's the project for today. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button and don't forget to comment. So first off, what we're going to do is, I have my pot here. You want to go one size up from the current pot. So this is my pot that I'm going to use. It's a clay pot. I like clay pots because they're nice and porous and they dry out a lot quicker than this type of pot. So I am going to be covering this drain hole with some coffee filters. So this is my coffee filter I'm going to use. You can use a mesh. I've also used paper towels. I've even used Kleenex in a pinch. You want to cover the hole so that you don't lose any soil. So what we're going to do is take it out of the pot. Now I'm going to add some soil to this existing pot, to this pot. This is just an all-purpose mix that I buy from Hemans. It's a really good lofty one. It's got lots of pumice stones in it. So all you do is set it in here. You want to set it in about 1 inch from the top. So we're about that. Now all you do is add your soil to the sides. And you keep on doing that. Tamping it in as you go. These are aerial roots that you see right here. You don't want to bury them. So you just keep adding soil and packing it in till you can't pack it any further on the sides. Still needs a bit more. Pack it in. You don't want to leave any air pockets. And you'll notice even after you water it in thoroughly that the soil still may sink. So all you do is just add more soil. Okay. Now a lot of plants love to be pot bound, but this plant has a tendency to get quite large, and if you keep it in its existing pot, it won't get a chance to grow much more. But now it's gonna grow a lot bigger because we put it into a nice big pot. And just like that, it's in its brand new pot. So the next plant that I'm gonna pot up is this plant called Green Congo Philodendron. We got roots coming out the bottom. It's pretty full of roots. I thought it was time. So you want to gingerly take it out of its pot. And we got quite the root system here. It could stay in this pot, but it dries out really, really quickly right now. So I've decided just to put it up in pot size. So this is my pot I'm going to use. It's got a drain hole. So I covered it with some coffee filters. I like to cover my drain holes in all my new pots that I use. So I'm going to add some soil. It's a bit more on the bottom. Okay. Put it in about center. And then all we do is we backfill the pot and pack it in really tight. You don't want air pockets in there. What you can do if the pot is really pot bound and lots of roots is you could tease the roots, although it's not necessarily that you have to do that. I like to do that on occasion, but this pot wasn't as pot bound as I thought, so it should really accept this new pot and just start growing as if nothing happened. Yeah, just like that. This pot's done too. Doesn't take long to do. It's a fun thing to do, and your plants will love you for it, and they'll grow a lot bigger now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And have any comments? Ask away. Thank you. Bye now.